Alright, man. This is my third try trying to record this video. Keyboard died. I got confused like fucking 20 times. And I just made some long ass pauses. But I'm gonna give it another try. This is a trade that I took on Friday. The bias was correct. But I got stopped out. Obviously, here is my market open. Hold on, actually, let me go to the daily. So on the daily, the whole week, bullish. As you can see, pretty bullish. It got to the main objective for the week. Monday, Tuesday, inside candle, didn't do anything. Wednesday, took the low. Monday and Tuesday, and it went to the eco highs that we had from last week. Thursday, it was very interesting, especially with this reversal right here, which didn't continue lower into the range. It actually came back inside and it closed right here. So when I'm looking at the previous day, Thursday, all I want to know is from the open, right here, from the open, where is price gonna go over on the overnight section? Is it gonna go higher to this high, to maybe we can see a potential reversal, or are we gonna come to this low, so then we can go higher or just go into the range? But this happened overnight. Asia section traded higher into previous day high. Here 5 a.m., 6 a.m. confirming the reversal. By the way, this is the expansion model by AM Trades. So I see the market how he does. Well, at least I'm trying to actually. Expansion model focuses on reversals, specific levels, like previous day high, or like swing points, which are very relevant. If this one is far away from this one can get a decent reaction like it did here. But overall, I was looking for this equal low to be targeted on Friday. And the initial confirmation that I needed was around this high. Either a continuation, mainly around above this other block right here, to continue higher, or a reversal like it happened here. See, strong candle high, and then a displacement back into the range. And then here on this up close candle was my entry. On this candle, 8 a.m. This is where I took my first entry. I scaled like 4 times into it. First one was right here. The last one was like around here when it hit the opening price of it. And my first target was this low right here. Like I said, this low could have gave a decent reaction, which it did. And depending on how price traded around here, I was gonna let it go to previous day low. But I was gonna scale here. I was gonna scale out a good amount and then let the rest just go to the end of the day or this level. But market open, I got wicked out happens. Not my favorite thing. Happened last week and this week initially. Got me pissed off, but it's okay though. Wicked out, went to the low, had a super, super long retracement, which I probably wouldn't ever held. But got wicked out. The main narrative worked off of previous day's high, reversal, initial confirmation, entry to the relevant low, and potentially to the previous day low. And that was my trade for Friday. Obviously, on this day, especially seeing this happen right after, and it happening, I think it was Wednesday, and then last week as well, where I just got wicked out by a few points, like little to nothing, a few points. Obviously, this brings an expectation that it shouldn't be happening because of this. This is supposed to be a protected swing point on how it traded away from it, based on the edge that I trade on. And obviously, I gotta remind myself consciously that not all trades are gonna be equal, are gonna be good, and literally expect something like this right at the open, which I was actually. So it kind of got me a little heated because the setup was really damn good. Consolidation, manipulation, and the distribution. Obviously, I didn't re-enter because I was like a little emotionally. Well, I was very emotional actually, especially on this candle. I wanted to enter here again, but stop size and there's no logical area to play my stop loss, so I didn't. So I just let it go. Walked away, calmed my mind, and then just journaled it. That's all I can do. Literally, been having trouble accepting these kind of losses. Obviously, when these losses happen, if you're good, if you're really good, you can re-enter. I don't know, based on your entry model, you can re-enter. Or you can just stop trading and don't get revengeful. Because I think some of us have like a belief system that the market's against us when shit like this happens. And I kind of noticed that Friday, because it happened 3 times already in the last 2 weeks. Like when I get stopped out, it's either it literally just turns around and go the opposite direction, or it just consolidates. It doesn't usually just stop me out by a few points and literally just go to the final TP. It doesn't usually happen like that. So on Friday, got a little heated. But, I always tell myself, based on experiences, that I only have 2 options. One option is stay and impulsively make stupid decisions, which never end well. It's either blown accounts or a massive drawdown. Or you can just stop, do something more productive. I don't know, have a good breakfast, walk, journal, log out, close trading view, or just go fuck around, make fun of it. If you're in the Discord, just go in it and just, I don't know, fucking talk shit about NASDAQ, whatever you need to do, just to get your mind off of it and away from the emotional reaction that we get to revenge, and to go fucking you know, you know how we go Rambo with a machine gun on every single fucking swing points that we have. I've done it a lot. Fucking trade right here, get stopped out again, right there. Just making bad decisions. Don't do that. Oh, if you do, don't worry, you stop soon enough. But yeah, that was my trade. That was my takeaway. Two options: fuck around and find out, or walk away. Ah, fuck, what the heck? Two options: stupid decisions, or do something productive. Obviously, my next videos are gonna be better. I promise. This shit is slow as fuck right now. I don't know why. Probably because I have a cheap computer. Anyways, obviously I'm gonna keep improving and everything. I'm sweating. My palms are sweating. Never done a video. Actually, I already did 3, which I'm not gonna post because I fucked them up. This one I might post if I don't fuck it up. But yeah. Okay. Good night.